Hello, welcome back to Mr. Thompson's art class. We're going to go ahead and get started. Attendance, make sure you're doing your assignment on the day that it's assigned. So if you're watching this today, I assigned this assignment today. Make sure you turn it in by midnight to get your attendance credit. All right, so announcements. It's time to start getting your art supplies. All right, so we're going to be moving on to color here pretty soon. So you're going to need markers, color pencils, and then go ahead and get your ruler, glue stick, scissors, copy paper, and or sketchbook if you haven't already. Okay, that copy paper and or your sketchbook are very important. I still have students turning in their artwork with notebook paper, and that just doesn't work for art class. All right, so we need you to get some copy paper, some white paper, and a sketchbook or a sketchbook. Both would be great. Either or is okay. All right, so joke of the day. What's the best thing about Switzerland? I don't know, but the flag is a big plus. The flag's a plus sign. All right, champs, if you're in the Google Meets or in face-to-face meetings, do now. Please draw a cube in 2-point perspective below the horizon line. Okay, this was our assignment a couple assignments back, so it should be just review for you. So go back two previous assignments, look at the 3 cubes I asked you to draw above, on, and below the horizon line, and I just want you to draw one below the horizon line. All right, here's an example of how to do that assignment. It was part 2 of the drawing the 3 cubes. We did 3 in 1-point perspective and 3 in 2-point perspective. These are the 3 in 2-point perspective. So here's your review. All right, for your do nows, make sure you're turning them in with your assignment. As part of your grade, you need to turn in your do nows. Okay, so take a picture of your do now and your assignment and upload them. All right, learning target, we're going to be creating art using the elements of art. We're going to use form specifically. In this assignment, we actually use line, shape, form, value, and space. All right, so we're going to use 5 of the elements, but the one we're focusing on is form. Form is what you get when you have a shape that is 3-dimensional. So a cube or a sphere or a cone or a cylinder, those are all 3-dimensional shapes, which are called forms. All right, we're going to do it by verbal and visual instruction. That's how you're going to learn. And why is to discover the fundamentals for creating artwork using form. Basically, that means you're going to learn how to make art using form. All right, so the unit organizer form is live now. You can click on it. It'll take you to a live presentation. Space and value are actually part of this assignment as well. We're going to get more into space in the next part of the unit schedule. All right, so here's the tutorial video I made for you. Please click on it, follow the steps, and create your own city. Now, I do on this tutorial, I walk you through the basics, but it's up to you to like put your own special twist and spin on it, okay? So make sure that you follow the steps and then create your own version. If you want to get that 5, make sure you're doing the extra bells and whistles to make yours look unique to you, and it'll be a really fun thing for you to do if you enjoy making art. All right, here's the proficiency scale. Make sure you take a look at it. It's on the slide deck after the tutorial video. If you want to get a 5, you know, you did it, you exceeded expectations, you added new stuff and went beyond the requirement. So I want you to, you know, put your own special twist and spin on it. 4 is, you know, you did the assignment and you met and exceeded the requirements. 3, approaching proficient. You met the requirement at the expected appropriate level. 2, some parts are incomplete, missing or lacking detail, and 1 is a minimal, lacking completion, missing elements, didn't follow directions, evidence of meeting standards is lacking. All right, so I mean, just follow the directions and you should at least get a 4. All right, but add some extras for that 5. I know you have it in you. Okay. All right, brag board. I will do some shout outs. I'll try to get some asynchronous shout outs on here very soon. I'll be looking through and put in some names on there. It's kind of hard because this video is it covers all of my classes, so I'm only doing one for all the classes. So, but be on the lookout. I'll update it here pretty soon. All right, and for your exit ticket, just turn in your due now and your assignment. Make sure you're getting those posted on the day that they're assigned. All right, y'all have a great day, a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.